The service is pretty good. It's definitely better, but I think they need to put more trains on, because I tried to get a train in from Whitchurch, which is only like 3 miles out, and trains were cancelled yesterday, and it's always really difficult to get on the train because it's busy, overly busy.
I think the service is improving. It's really nice to see the new trains coming in. The new trains are so much better than the old ones. But the service is still unreliable at times, and I'm afraid that's putting a lot of our friends off from travelling on the train. You know, we think it's important not to use the car, but unfortunately the unreliability of the service lets it down sometimes. And talking of which, I've got to go and get the train now.
I would like more lines to be brought back. The new trains are very nice.
So we've been out on the network today chatting to customers about the Transport for Wales services, about their frustrations with the network at the moment. The main ones being overcrowding the trains, train reliability and delays. We totally understand where our customers are coming from. We've got a lot of engineering works going on across the whole of the network at the moment. We've also got a train shortage because our Class 175 train, one model train, is going through a whole maintenance programme. In North Wales, we've started to introduce our 230s to the Wrexham and Bidston line. Please be patient, we're going through transformation and things will improve over the coming weeks.